Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about decorating functions with parameters. So let's take a look at our example and do a little bit more with it. Here we've got our make secure decorator and our getAdminPassword function. If instead of getAdminPassword we wanted to change this to getPassword and take in a panel decorator and then do something like if panel is admin then return 1234, otherwise if panel is billing then return super secure password, something like that. Now, of course, when you call the function, you're going to have to pass in a panel, such as billing. But this function actually won't take in the argument because our function here calls the original function without the argument. So here's what's going to happen when you call getPassword. Remember, getPassword is replaced by secure function. So secure function at the moment does not have any parameters, so you won't be able to pass billing to it. In addition, when you call the original function, no argument is passed either, so even if this function took the argument in, it wouldn't be passed in there. So obviously we have to fix that. We have to put the panel in there and the panel in there. Then what happens is billing gets passed to secure function, then it gets passed to the original function, which is getPassword, and then this will work. However, this is not good because we have coupled our make secure decorator to this function. That means that we can't use it on other functions that take in different arguments. So instead, what you usually do with decorators is you make them take unlimited numbers of arguments and keyword arguments so you can cater for everything. The way to do that, as you may know already, is *args and *quargs, and then you just pass them on as well to the original function. So that will make it work, and also it won't limit you to using it with only this function. You can use it with any other function. This getPassword here must still be called with the correct arguments for the original function, but this one here doesn't care what arguments are passed in. That's everything for this video. Thank you for joining me in this one, and I'll see you in the next one.